Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the ERR HTTP2 protocol error on Google Chrome. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So first is click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on time and language. Click on date and time. So here, make sure that you are in the current correct date and time. Again, make sure that you are in a current correct date and time from here. And if you are not in the correct date and time, then just simply click on this button, turn off this button, and also turn off this button. Then you have to click on this set the date and time manually. You just can simply change it from here, and then you have to click on the change button, and then you will be changing, or your time will be changed to the correct date and time. So make sure of that. Then in the Windows search bar, type CHROME, best match Google Chrome. Click on that. Now here in the Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you have to click on extensions, manage extensions. So if you have any unnecessary extensions, especially unused extensions, just simply disable that, or you can totally remove that extension on your Chrome browser. Then click on the three dots again, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find settings. Then here you have to click on privacy and security. Scroll down, and under privacy and security, you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. We have basic and advanced as two options on how we can delete the browsing data. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Then site settings checked, hosted updated checked. Now you have to click on delete data. Do not check passwords and autofill because this will just delete your saved passwords in the Chrome browser. So click on delete data. Then make sure to also update your browser. So click on about Chrome. And this will automatically update your Chrome browser, which is a very good thing. And then once this is done, just simply close out of here and then launch Chrome again, and the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.